You all are welcome in our English class. Today we are going to learn lesson number 4 is My Elder Brother for class 5th. Okay, let's learn about the lesson. This lesson is about two brothers. Okay, and this story is based on Hindi novel is Bade Bhai Sahab. Okay, it's written by Munshi Premchand. You all are knowing about the Premchand. He was the writer and he is very famous in Hindi novels. Premchand. So this story in Hindi is written by Premchand and the title is Bade Bhai Sahab. Okay, and in English the title of this story is My Elder Brother. In this lesson there are two brothers, Munna and Bhaiya. Both are very loving, okay, and respectful to others and each other. And this story also shows that learning from the day by day and by the experience from the surrounding us is as important as we learn in school from the books. So this play is based on the famous story in Hindi, Bade Bhai Sahab. Let's read the lesson. The story is My Elder Brother. It is on page number 65. So sit with your textbook and learn with me. Scene number 1. A hostel room, two brothers aged 9 and 14 years sitting at the study table. Which are the age of two brothers? First, one brother is 9 years old and the second brother is 14 years old. They are sitting at a study table. The elder brother name is Bhaiya. What is the name of elder brother? Bhaiya. He is reading a book and the younger one, Munna. The younger one's name is Munna. Is drawing picture of birds and animals. Bhaiya is elder brother and Munna is younger brother. Younger brother is 9 years old and elder brother is 14 years old. Okay, Bhaiya and Munna are two brothers in our story. Okay, the scene is start. Bhaiya, what are you doing, Munna? Munna says, I am drawing. Which tense is there? Continuous present tense. Yes, what are you doing? It's a questioning form of continuous present tense. Bhaiya, when will you study? Is the tense is future tense. Yes, and in questioning form. When will you study? आप कब पढ़ोगे? Where were you in the morning? आप morning में कहाँ थे? It's a which tense is there? Continuous past tense. आप सुबह कहाँ थे? कहाँ पर थे? मुन्ना, turning pale. His skin was or her face was dull. Pale means dull. Okay. And both are affectionate. Affectionate means loving. Both brothers are loving each other, loving the others. So affectionate means loving, and pale means dull. So turning pale. I was playing. The tense is there, continuous past tense. I was playing. Whenever we study the lesson, you have to attention about the tenses and the keywords and the new words, so you can improve your knowledge of new words and then tense also. So I was playing. It was continuous past tense. Bhaiya, how can you sit with a book for hours together? Munna is asking to his elder brother that how can you sit with your books with so many hours? Bhaiya says, that's because I want my foundation in education to be very strong. Bhaiya is saying that he want to do more and more strong in education field. If the base is strong, then the building will stand firmly. If the base of education is strong, so you can educate or you can willing of studying freely, very strongly. Sometimes it takes me 2 years to do 1 year's work. Sometimes it takes me 2 years to do 1 year's work. Munna, Bhaiya, you are 5 years older than I am. It's a degree. Which degree? Comparison degree. Older than me or older than I am. This is a comparison degree. Okay. Munna says, you are 5 years older than me and 3 classes ahead of me. You are 5 years old, so you are 3 classes ahead of me. आप मुझसे 3 classes आगे हो. I wondered why you keeping writing the same words 20 times. Munna is asking to his brother that he was very amazed because he is writing same word 20 times. So he is asking his brother that he was very wonder about it. One sentence more than 20 times, one sentence more than 20 times, and copy poem several times in beautiful letters. Bhaiya, you know, study English is no child's play. His elder brother is saying to his younger brother that English is not a child's play. One has to work very hard in order to learn the subject. You should work very hard to learn the subject. To speak or to write English properly. He is telling to his brother that if you want to do proper in English, so you have to work more than. Tremendous effort is required. Tremendous means very great in amount. बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. Effort, प्रयत्न की जरूरत होती है. But the moment you get a chance, you run to the field, play marble and fly paper kites, or sit idling away with friends for fun. Idling means lazy. Okay? Can't you sit down and study? Bhaiya is asking to his younger brother. You can't sit and study? Why you are idling away with your friend and you are wasting time in play, in field? Okay, he is asking to his younger brother. Next one, Munna says, oh Bhaiya, there is a big mela in our village today. Should we go? So, Munna is asking about for mela. Mela means fair. Okay, so he is saying that should we go? क्या हम जा सकते हैं? भैया से Have you ever seen me going to a fair or going to watch a cricket or hockey match? Have you ever seen? आपने मुझे देखा है कभी मेले में जाते हुए, क्रिकेट का मैच देखने के लिए जाते हुए? नहीं. I don't go near them. I prefer to study a book. Bhaiya is looking here in our lesson that he was very serious about study. So elder brother never go for play, never go for watch cricket matches or else. So he is also saying his younger brother to study only. He don't want to go in mela or any other activity. I don't mind repeating a class for more than 2 years, but you might stay in the same class all of your life. He is saying that you want to stay in your same class for whole life. That's why you are playing all day. Do you expect to pass if you waste your time playing all the time? You are simply wasting father's hard-earned money. He is telling that you are wasting our father's hard money. Munna started crying on being scolded, and sobbing sound wah wah bah bah hoo are heard. The sound are heard. These sound are heard because Munna started crying because his elder brother angry with him. Munna says, Bhaiya, I feel like running away and going back home. Munna says, I want to go home Bhaiya says, now, stop crying. Put on a nice smile. चलो अब हंस दो. Put a nice smile. Look, I will make a timetable for you to follow. Get up and down. So his elder brother gave him a timetable. It's called schedule for work. Time is 6 a.m. Wash your hand. Have your breakfast and sit down to study. 6 to 8 a.m. English. 8 to 9 a.m. Math. 9 to 9:30 a.m. History. Then 3:30. Then off to school. This one is a timetable for Munna. It's given by his elder brother. 5 to 6 p.m. grammar. Half an hour for strolling. Strolling means free time. Okay. For only half an hour. He can free from the timetable. 6:30 to 7 p.m. English composition. Then dinner. 8 to 9 translation. 9 to 10 p.m. Hindi. And 10 to 11 p.m. other subject. Then go to bed. So it is hard timetable for younger brother Munna. It's given by his elder brother Bhaiya. So this is our story about two brothers. First one, the elder brother is very sincere and very serious about the study, and the younger one, Munna, it's very idling and very he always want to go play and other activities rather than study. Okay, so his elder brother advising him in this first part. He want to say the younger brother that you have to read for all time in the day. You don't waste your time in playing hours. So this is our part 1. We will meet in our next part. Thank you.